Welcome to free online classes of physics with Lambosa. So, up to this, we have learned types of semiconductors, types of elemental semiconductors, and types of extrinsic semiconductors. Extrinsic semiconductors are formed by doping process. And for the doping process, we are using impurity elements from the 15th group of periodic table and 13th group of periodic table, pentavalent impurity elements and trivalent impurity elements. And impure semiconductor is called as extrinsic semiconductor. Two types of extrinsic semiconductors, N type and P type. When pentavalent impurity atoms are doped in pure semiconductor, then resulting extrinsic semiconductor is called N-type semiconductor. And this N-type semiconductor has majority charge carriers as free electrons and minority charge carriers as holes. And pentavalent impurity atoms or elements are called as donor impurities, donor atoms, because they donate, each pentavalent atom donates one free electron which goes to the conduction band. Now, formation of p-type semiconductor. So when trivalent impurity atoms or elements are doped in pure semiconductor, then resulting extrinsic semiconductor is called p-type semiconductor. And in p-type semiconductor, holes are majority charge carriers and free electrons are minority charge carriers. And that trivalent impurity atoms are called as acceptor atoms because they creates hole in the fourth covalent bond, and hole can accept the electron. Hole is the vacancy or empty space of electron. So we learn about the p-type and n-type semiconductor and their formation. So in this lecture, we discuss p-n junction diode or semiconductor diode. Formation of p-n junction diode or semiconductor diode. So when p-type semiconducting material and n-type semiconducting material is suitably joined or welded together or fused together, then the boundary between the two regions, p-type and n-type regions मधली जी boundary आहे, that boundary is called as a p-n junction. आणि जी arrangement आपल्याला मिळेल, that arrangement or crystal, resulting crystal is called p-n junction diode. So it can be defined like this. When p-type semiconductor is suitably joined to n-type semiconductor, then boundary between them, p-type आणि n-type semiconductor suitably join केल्यानंतर त्या दोघांच्या मधली जी boundary असेल, that boundary is called p-n junction, and the whole arrangement of p-type and n-type semiconductor joined together, that arrangement is called p-n junction diode or semiconductor diode. We will learn block diagram and schematic symbol for this p-n junction diode. See here. So in this diagram, this one is the block which is formed by joining p-type semiconductor suitably joined to n-type semiconductor, and the boundary between the two semiconductors, p-type आणि n-type semiconductor join झाल्यानंतर त्यांच्यामधली ही जी boundary आहे, this boundary is called p-n junction, and this entire arrangement is called p-n junction diode or semiconductor diode. So this p-n junction diode has two electrodes. P-type semiconductor acts as anode or positive electrode, and N-type semiconductor acts as cathode or negative electrode. And the schematic symbol for PN junction diode is like this. So this is the schematic symbol. This A means anode or P-type semiconductor, and this C is cathode, that means N-type semiconductor. So this is the negative electrode and this one is the positive electrode. Schematic symbol of PN junction diode, and this one is the block diagram of PN junction diode. So one more block diagram, schematic symbol for PN junction diode. So this one is the schematic symbol of PN junction diode. So this terminal acts as anode, that means P-type region, and this terminal acts as cathode, that means N-type region. And actual PN junction diode looks like this. So this is the appearance of actual fabricated PN junction diode. आणि ह्या PN जंक्शन डायोडला हे जे दोन एंड्स आहेत त्यातील एक एंड एनोडचं काम करतोय, एनोड आहे म्हणजे पी टाईप रिजन आहे, आणि दुसरा एंड एन टाईप रिजन आहे. आणि ह्या दोन रिजन मध्ये आपल्याला डिफरन्शिएट करता यावं म्हणून कॅथोड साइडचा जो रिजन आहे पीएन जंक्शन डायोडचा त्या ठिकाणी सिल्वर कलरची रिंग तुम्हाला लक्षात येईल. दिस सिल्वर कलर रिंग is the cathode of PN junction diode, N-type region of PN junction diode. One more, actual PN junction diode will be like this. So in this PN junction diode, this silver ring represents cathode of PN junction diode or N-type region of PN junction diode. So for the formation of this PN junction diode, we will take single crystal of pure semiconductor. Single crystal of either silicon or germanium semiconductor. Now, on one side of that semiconducting crystal, we will dope donor impurities. That means pentavalent impurities are doped on one side of that semiconducting crystal. That's why N-type region, N-type semiconductor will be formed to this end. Now, at the other end, you can see here, this one is initially pure semiconducting crystal, silicon or germanium. त्या प्युअर सेमीकंडक्टिंग क्रिस्टलच्या या एंडला सुरुवातीला आपण डोनर इम्प्युरिटीज आपण डोप केल्या, म्हणजे पेंटाव्हॅलंट इम्प्युरिटीचे ॲटम्स आपण ह्या एंडला मिक्स केले, त्यावेळी आपल्याला इथं एन टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर तयार झालेला मिळाला. नाव at the other end of that semiconducting crystal we dope trivalent impurity atoms, that means acceptor impurities. That time at this other end we got p-type semiconductor. So in this way we can form PN junction diode by doping pentavalent impurities at one end and trivalent impurities at other end. So here for forming PN junction diode, one side of pure semiconductor crystal is doped with donor impurities, म्हणजे त्या साइडला N type semiconductor form होईल, and the other side is doped with an acceptor impurity, म्हणजे त्या दुसऱ्या साइडला आपल्याला P type semiconductor फॉर्म झालेला मिळेल, just as shown in this block diagram. Now the junction between N type and P type semiconductor, हा N टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर फॉर्म होण्यासाठी आपण डोनर इम्प्युरिटी इथं मिक्स केल्या आणि पी टाइप फॉर्म करण्यासाठी ऍक्सेप्टर इम्प्युरिटी इथं मिक्स केल्या. आता या दोघांचं जे जंक्शन आहे, बाउंड्री आहे, द जंक्शन बिटवीन N टाइप अँड P टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर is called PN junction, and this entire crystal is called PN junction diode. So in this way we can form PN junction diode or semiconductor diode. It consists two electrodes, anode which is positive electrode and cathode is the negative electrode, and its schematic symbol is like this. Here is also the schematic symbol, and actual PN junction diode looks like this. The appearance of PN junction diode is looking like this. आणि त्या PN junction diode मध्ये एनोड आणि कॅथोड आपल्याला डिफरन्शिएट व्हावा म्हणून कॅथोड साइडला सिल्वर कलरची रिंग मार्क केलेली आहे. Now we will learn two important concepts: depletion layer and barrier potential. These two concepts are important in order to learn working of PN junction diode. These two concepts are playing important role to understand working of PN junction diode. So let us learn what is depletion layer and what is barrier potential. So to learn these two concepts, we will study diffusion process in PN junction. So what is diffusion? What is the term diffusion means? So it is simple transportation or transfer of free electrons and holes across the PN junction. That transfer of free electrons and holes across the junction is called diffusion process. आणि जे होल्स आणि इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पीएन जंक्शनच्या अक्रॉस ट्रान्सफर होणार आहेत ते मेजॉरिटी चार्ज कॅरियर्स असतील. आणि आपल्याला सर्वांना माहिती आहे एन टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर मध्ये फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर मेजॉरिटी चार्ज कॅरियर्स अँड holes are minority charge carriers. While in p-type semiconductor, holes are majority charge carriers and electrons are minority charge carriers. आणि ज्यावेळी आपण पीएन जंक्शन फॉर्म करतो त्यावेळी पीएन जंक्शनच्या अक्रॉस जे ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन होणार आहे, ट्रान्सफर होणार आहे, तो फक्त मेजॉरिटी चार्ज कॅरियर्सचाच ट्रान्सपोर्ट होणार आहे. And that transfer of majority charge carriers, that means free electrons from n type and holes from the p type, that transfer of free electrons and holes across the junction is nothing but the diffusion process. See here, what is diffusion process? We have written transfer of free electrons and holes across the pn junction is called diffusion. So simple, diffusion process is the transfer process of majority charge carriers, free electrons and holes across the junction. So let us refer such PN junction diode. See here, this is PN junction diode. This crystal is PN junction diode. आणि या PN junction diode ला ह्या साइडला N type semiconductor आपण फॉर्म केलाय by doping pentavalent impurities, and this other side p-type semiconductor is formed by doping trivalent impurities. And we know that this n-type semiconductor has majority charge carriers, these free electrons. Solid spheres, colored solid spheres are nothing but free electrons. इथं आपण त्याचं लेबलिंग केलंय बघा. Free electrons are majority charge carriers in n-type semiconductor, and this white color sphere, solid sphere, are the holes, and holes are minority charge carriers in n-type semiconductor. And on the other side we have formed p-type semiconductor, and p-type semiconductor मध्ये holes are majority charge carriers. You can count the number of holes. They are large in number, and these free electrons are minority charge carriers in p-type semiconductor. And when pn junction is formed, the boundary between that two regions, this is the boundary, and this boundary is called pn junction, and this complete crystal is called pn junction diode. Now when PN junction diode is formed, initially number of electrons in n type region or number of electrons on the n side of this junction are large as compared to number of electrons on the p side of the junction. This can be easily understand. ज्यावेळी पीएन जंक्शन म्हणजे पी टाईप सेमीकंडक्टिंग मटेरियल आपण एन टाईप सेमीकंडक्टिंग मटेरियलला सुटेबली जॉईन करणार आहोत, फ्यूज करणार आहोत, त्यावेळी जॉईनिंगच्या स्टेटला म्हणजे इनिशियली number of free electrons on the n side of this junction are large as compared to number of electrons on p side of the junction. At the same time, initially number of holes on the p side of this junction are large as compared to number of holes on n side of that junction. We have written here. When n-type and p-type semiconductors are fused together, joined suitably together, initially at the time of joining, number of electrons on the n side of the junction, see here, this one is the n side. n side, junctionच्या n side ला असणारे number of electrons very large as compared to the number of electrons on the p side. म्हणजे या साईडला पी साईडला जंक्शनच्या पी साईडला जे इलेक्ट्रॉनचा नंबर आहे तो व्हेरी लेस नंबर आहे आणि एन साईडला इलेक्ट्रॉनचा नंबर व्हेरी लार्ज आहे. सिमिलरली वी कॅन कम्पेअर number of holes on p side of the junction and number of holes on n side of the junction. Definitely we will find number of holes on the p side is very large as compared to number of holes in n side. So definitely there are the concentration of charge carriers are different on either side of pn junction. म्हणजे या pn जंक्शनच्या राईट साइडला इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉनचं चार्ज कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन हाय आहे आणि पीएन जंक्शनच्या लेफ्ट साइडला म्हणजे पी साइडला होल्सचं चार्ज कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन हाय आहे. So as the concentration of charge carriers is different on both sides of pn junction, on n side of junction free electrons are high in concentration. On p side of the junction, holes are high in concentration. That's why we have written here as the concentration of charge carriers is different on both sides of the pn junction. What will happen? The diffusion of these charge carriers takes place near the junction. Diffusion means transfer. Diffusion is nothing but transfer of free electrons and holes takes place near the junction. And during that diffusion process, only majority charge carriers will transfer. So in this case, n-type region मध्ये free electrons are majority charge carriers. That's why that free electrons will diffuse from n-type to p-type region. While in p-type region, holes are majority charge carriers. So they will diffuse from p-type to n-type. That diffusion of charge carriers will take place across the junction, near the junction. This is because the concentration of charge carriers are different on both sides of pn junction. Let us refer one more diagram explaining formation of pn junction diode. See here, this is crystal, single crystal of pure semiconductor आणि या सिंगल क्रिस्टलच्या या साइडला आपण पेंटाव्हॅलंट इम्प्युरिटी डोप करून एन टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर फॉर्म केलाय अँड टू दिस साइड ट्रायव्हॅलंट इम्प्युरिटी डोप करून आपण पी टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर फॉर्म केलाय. अँड द जंक्शन, दिस वन इज द जंक्शन between p type and n type semiconductor. That junction is called pn junction. And this complete crystal, ज्या क्रिस्टल जवळ जंक्शन आहे आणि दोन रिजन्स आहेत, that is called p-n junction diode. आणि हा पी-एन जंक्शन डायोड फॉर्म करत असताना पी टाईप आणि एन टाईप आपण सेमीकंडक्टर सुटेबली फ्यूज करत आहोत, जॉईन करत आहोत. आणि इनिशियली जॉईनिंग होत असताना एन रिजन मध्ये नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर व्हेरी लार्ज as compared to number of electrons in the p region. आणि p regionच्या साईडला number of holes are very large as compared to number of holes in n type. म्हणजे ह्या दोन्ही साईडला pn जंक्शनच्या आयदर साईडला कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ चार्ज कॅरियर्स आर डिफरंट. आणि डिफरंट कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन असल्यामुळं ह्या n साईडला फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर हॅव्हिंग very high concentration, and p side la holes are having very high concentration. So concentration of charge carriers are different on either side of the p-n junction, and due to that having different charge concentration, there will be the diffusion of majority charge carriers across the junction. So in that diffusion, the free electrons will diffuse from n-type semiconductor to p-type semiconductor, because high concentration to low concentration free electrons flow होतील आणि holes will flow from p-type region to n-type region. That means high concentration to low concentration. So in this case, what happens here, when electrons from n-type cross the p-n junction and enters in the p-type, that time it neutralizes the holes in p-type region, and neutralizing the holes, it forms negative immobile ions in the p-type region, and this one is the negative immobile ions which are formed in the p-type region. And due to these negative immobile ions are formed due to diffusion of free electrons from n-type to p-type. So the electrons from n-type cross the junction, enters in p-type region and neutralize the holes in the p-type region, forming this layer or wall, negative wall of immobile ions are formed in the p-type, and these negative immobile ions are shown by this symbol. These are the negative immobile ions formed in the p-type region due to diffusion of free electrons from n-type to p-type. Now, in p-type region, majority charge carriers are holes. That's why holes from the p-type region cross the junction, enters in n-type region and neutralize the electrons in n-type region, forming positive immobile ions in the n-type region. And that positive immobile ions are shown by this symbol. This symbol represents positive immobile ions. And that ions are formed due to diffusion of holes from p-type to n-type across the junction, and that holes when enters in n-type, that time holes neutralizes the electrons in n-type region, forming positive wall of immobile ions in the n-type region. And in this structure, in this p-n junction diode, this plus sign is nothing but hole, and this negative sign nothing but free electrons. Plus sign for hole and negative sign for free electron. And this symbol are the immobile negative ions, and this symbol is used for immobile positive ions. One more diagram we will refer. See here. This diagram also explains the same concept. See here, in this case, this colored sphere with negative sign, represents negative immobile ions, and this white sphere with plus sign represents positive immobile ions. And that colored spheres, solid spheres, are nothing but free electrons, and white colored spheres are nothing but holes. So symbols are quite clear. So what is happening here? Due to charge carriers having different concentration on either side of p-n junction. p-n junctionच्या n साइडला free electrons are having high concentration and p साइडला holes are having high concentration. And due to different charge concentration on either side of p-n junction, what is happening? This majority charge carriers crosses the junction and enters in another region. And that majority charge carriers मध्ये n type मधून electrons cross the junction and enters in the p type region. आणि p type region मधून holes cross the junction and enters in n type region. That we have written here. See, the electrons from n type region cross the junction. हे जे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आहेत, हाय कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन आहे एन टाइप मध्ये त्यांचं, त्यामुळं they are transferring, they are diffusing from n type to p type. That we have written here. The electrons from n type region cross the junction, enters in the p type region and neutralize the holes in p type region. इथं जे होल्स होते p टाइप मधले त्यांना इकडच्या इलेक्ट्रॉननं न्यूट्रलाइज केलं आणि न्यूट्रलाइज केल्यानंतर त्यांच्या जागेवर निगेटिव्ह वॉल ऑफ इमोबाईल आयन्स फॉर्म झालेली आपल्याला दिसली नियर द जंक्शन. त्यामुळे इकडून जे फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आहेत एन टाइप मधले ते फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पीएन जंक्शन क्रॉस करून ज्या वेळेला पी टाइप मध्ये एंट्री करतात त्यावेळेला पी टाइप रिजन मध्ये इथं असणारे जे काही होल्स आहेत त्यांना न्यूट्रलाइज करून त्यांच्या जागेवर इथं निगेटिव्ह इमोबाईल आयन्स फॉर्म केलेले आहेत. म्हणजे त्यांची वॉलच आपल्याला मिळाली इन पी टाइप रिजन. वॉल ऑफ negative immobile ions are formed due to diffusion of electrons from n type to p type. Similarly, holes from the p region, p type region मधील holes majority charge carriers आहेत, cross the junction, हे junction cross करतील, enters in n type region आणि n type region मध्ये इथं जे काय free electrons होते त्यांना neutralize करणार. See here, enters the n type region and neutralize electrons in n type region. आणि ज्या इलेक्ट्रॉन्सना त्यांनी न्यूट्रलाइज केलेल्या एन टाइप रिजन मधील त्या ठिकाणी फॉर्म्स पॉझिटिव्ह वॉल ऑफ, यू कॅन सी हिअर, पॉझिटिव्ह वॉल ऑफ इमोबाईल आयन्स नियर द जंक्शन. सो इन दिस वे, ड्यू टू डिफ्युजन प्रोसेस ऑफ मेजॉरिटी चार्ज कॅरियर्स, म्हणजे फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एन टाइप कडून आणि होल्स पी टाइप कडून जंक्शन क्रॉस करणार आहे. And while crossing the junction, they are forming wall of immobile ions near the p-n junction. Electrons are diffusing from n type to p type and they are neutralizing the holes in p type and forms negative wall of immobile ions in the p type region, while holes are diffusing from p type region to n type and they neutralize the electrons in n type and forms positive wall of immobile ions in the n type region. And once these positive and negative layers of immobile ions are formed, see here, p type region वर p type region मध्ये जंक्शनच्या अगदी जवळ इथं आपल्याला निगेटिव्ह इमोबाईल आयन्सचं लेअर मिळालेलं आहे, वॉल मिळालेला आहे. अँड दिस निगेटिव्ह इमोबाईल लेअर विल प्रोड्यूस इट्स निगेटिव्ह पोटेन्शियल इन दिस रिजन. आणि जंक्शनच्या n साइडला इथं आपल्याला पॉझिटिव्ह इमोबाईल आयन्स लेअर किंवा वॉल मिळालेला आहे. दे विल प्रोड्यूस देअर पॉझिटिव्ह पोटेन्शियल इन दिस रिजन. आणि या ठिकाणचं आता हे पॉझिटिव्ह पोटेन्शियल इकडून येणाऱ्या होल्सना आता प्रिव्हेंट करणार, अपोज करणार. आणि या ठिकाणचं निगेटिव्ह पोटेन्शियल, या रिजन मधलं निगेटिव्ह पोटेन्शियल इमोबाईल आयन्स म्हणून जे प्रोड्यूस झालेलं आहे, they opposes further diffusion of free electrons from n type to p type. And positive potential produced due to these immobile positive ions, they prevents or opposes further diffusion of holes from p type to n type. That we have written here. Once these positive and negative walls or layers of immobile ions are formed near the junction on either side, what happens? They oppose the further flow of electrons and holes across the junction. म्हणजे या रिजन मधलं, यू कॅन सी हिअर, या रिजन मध्ये निगेटिव्ह इमोबाईल आयन्स मिळून निगेटिव्ह पोटेन्शियल तयार करतील. And that negative potential will oppose further transfer of free electrons from n type to p type. आणि या रिजन मधील पॉझिटिव्ह पोटेन्शियल will oppose or prevent further transfer or diffusion of holes from p type to n type. And in this way equilibrium is established. म्हणजे हा जो pn junction diode equilibrium state ला जाईल. See here. Thus इक्विलिब्रियम इज इस्टॅब्लिश्ड. आता या ठिकाणी डिफ्युजन झाल्यामुळं, मेजॉरिटी चार्ज कॅरियरचं डिफ्युजन झाल्यामुळं आपल्याला पीएन जंक्शनच्या अक्रॉस हा एक रिजन मिळाला, जिथं इलेक्ट्रॉन्सनी इकडच्या होलला न्यूट्रलाइज करून निगेटिव्ह इमोबाईल आयन्स प्रोड्यूस केलेले आहेत आणि होल्सनी एन रिजन मधील इलेक्ट्रॉन्सना न्यूट्रलाइज करून पॉझिटिव्ह इमोबाईल आयन्स फॉर्म केलेले आहेत. सो दिस इज द रिजन अक्रॉस पीएन जंक्शन डायोड विच इज फ्री फ्रॉम चार्ज कॅरियर्स. म्हणजे या रिजन मध्ये कुठल्याही प्रकारची चार्ज कॅरियर्स नाही आहेत. इथं फक्त इमोबाईल आयन्स आहेत. तर पी साइडला निगेटिव्ह आयन्स मिळतात आणि एन साइडला आपल्याला पॉझिटिव्ह आयन्स मिळतात. हा जो रिजन फॉर्म झालेला आहे अक्रॉस पीएन जंक्शन, त्या रिजनला आपण डिप्लेशन रिजन किंवा डिप्लेशन लेअर असं म्हणणार. सो व्हॉट इज डिप्लेशन रिजन or what is depletion layer that we have shown here. So this is the region across PN junction. या PN junction च्या across हा जो region आहे which is free from charge carriers. म्हणजे तिथं फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स नाहीत की होल्स नाहीत, फक्त त्या ठिकाणी इमोबाईल आयन्स आहेत. So that region across PN junction diode is called as depletion region or depletion layer. त्यानंतर when depletion layer is formed in this PN junction diode, PN junction डायोडचं फॉर्मेशन होत असताना हे डिप्लेशन लेअर फॉर्म झालं. त्यावेळी that layer, depletion layer has negative ions on the P type region which produces negative potential on the P side and positive ions in the N type region which produces positive potential on the N side of that junction. And this region produces positive potential and this region produces this region produces negative potential and this region produces positive potential across the junction. And that negative and positive potential acts as battery which is called as a barrier potential. And this barrier potential prevents further diffusion of electrons from N type to P type and holes from P type to N type. That is called barrier potential. So what is depletion layer or depletion region? The region across PN junction. Here also, this is the region across PN junction which is free from charge carriers. which is free from charge carriers. That means there are no free electrons, no holes. That region near the p-n junction diode, across the p-n junction diode, is called depletion region or depletion layer. Now, what is barrier potential here? When depletion layer, you can see here, depletion layer is formed in p-n junction diode. This one is the depletion layer. या depletion layer मध्ये the layer has negative potential on the p side and that layer has positive potential on the n side. And this negative and positive potential acts as battery across the p-n junction, which is called as barrier potential. And this barrier potential now further prevents, because this negative potential prevents diffusion of free electrons from n region to p region, and this positive potential prevents diffusion of holes from p to n. So in this way, equilibrium is established in p-n junction diode due to this barrier potential. Now this this layer which is free from charge carriers, this layer is called as a depletion layer. We can see here this one. This is the region or layer on both sides of p-n junction which is free from charge carriers. This thin layer near the junction which is free from charge carriers is called depletion layer किंवा depletion region पण आपण म्हणू शकतो. आणि या डिप्लेशन लेयरची किंवा रिजनची जी विड्थ आहे ती विड्थ 0.5 micrometer to 1 micrometer. The width of depletion layer ranges from 0.5 micrometer to 1 micrometer. Now we will learn the definition of the two concepts, depletion region or depletion layer and barrier potential. First of all, depletion layer. What is that? See here. This is the depletion layer. This is the depletion region. Is the region across किंवा near p-n junction which is free from charge carriers. म्हणजे या region मध्ये इलेक्ट्रॉन्स किंवा होल्स असणार नाही. या region मध्ये फक्त आयन्स असणार, इमोबाईल आयन्स असणार. त्यातील p साइडला निगेटिव्ह इमोबाईल आयन्स आपल्याला मिळतील आणि n साइडला पॉझिटिव्ह इमोबाईल आयन्स मिळतील. So this region near the p-n junction free from charge carriers is called as depletion region or depletion layer. It can be defined like this. Region across the p-n junction which is free from charge carriers, म्हणजेच इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आणि होल्स त्या रिजन मध्ये असणार नाही, is called depletion layer. आणि त्या depletion layer ची width किती असणार पहा, 0.5 micrometer to 1 micrometer. Now barrier potential. Barrier potential. See here. When depletion layer is formed in p-n junction diode, you can see in this diagram. Still that diagram is representing the depletion region or layer. p-n junction diode मध्ये ज्या वेळेला हे depletion region किंवा layer form होतं त्यावेळी this layer has negative potential on the p side. p side ला या layer जवळ negative potential आलेला आहे immobile ions मुळे, and this layer has positive potential on n side. And this negative and positive potential acts as battery across the p-n junction, and which is called as barrier potential. And this this barrier potential now prevents further diffusion of majority charge carriers across the junction. म्हणजे हे जे निगेटिव्ह पोटेन्शियल आहे that prevents diffusion of electrons from n region to p region, and this positive potential prevents diffusion of holes from p type region to P-N type region. So these are the two important concepts. Depletion layer and barrier potentials are the two important concepts which are used while studying working of P-N junction diode. So we will learn few about the depletion layer. Features about the depletion region. काय वैशिष्ट्य आहेत या डिप्लेशन रिजनची किंवा लेयरची? This depletion region is formed due to diffusion of majority charge carriers, isn't it, across the junction. See here, this is the depletion region that we want to explain its features. तर पीएन जंक्शन डायोड मध्ये पीएन जंक्शन डायोड फॉर्म होत असताना सुरुवातीला हे डिप्लेशन रिजन फॉर्म होणार and it is formed by diffusion of electrons from N region to P region and holes from P region to N region. म्हणजेच मेजॉरिटी चार्ज कॅरियरचं जंक्शन मधून होणाऱ्या डिफ्युजन मुळे हे डिप्लेशन रिजन फॉर्म झालेलं आहे. आणि त्या डिफ्युजन मुळे काय होतं का? दिस डिफ्युजन leaves positively charged ions in the N region. See here. Diffusion of majority charge carrier leaves positive immobile ions in the N region and negatively immobile ions in the P region. This P region accumulates electrons and this N region accumulates holes. You can see here. P region accumulates electrons. म्हणजे ह्या P region मध्ये इकडून जे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स डिफ्यूज होऊन आलेले आहेत त्या इलेक्ट्रॉन्सचं अक्युमुलेशन P रिजननी केलं आणि P रिजन मध्ये त्यांच्या अक्युमुलेशन मुळे निगेटिव्ह आयन्स फॉर्म झालेले आहेत नियर द जंक्शन. While this N region is accumulating holes which are coming from the P region and near the junction positive immobile ions are formed. Now accumulation of charges on either side of the junction म्हणजे ह्या जंक्शनच्या दोन्ही साइड मधून जे डिफ्युजन होणार आहे मेजॉरिटी चार्ज कॅरियरचं त्या मेजॉरिटी चार्ज कॅरियरचं अक्युमुलेशन झालं. Accumulation of charges on either side of the junction results in the forming a potential barrier and prevents flow of charges. एकदा potential barrier ह्या रिजनच्या अक्रॉस डेव्हलप झालं, that potential barrier prevents further flow, further diffusion, further transfer of majority charge carriers across the junction. And this region, which is called as a depletion region, is free from charge carriers. There are no charge carriers in the depletion region. This is one more feature of that region. Depletion region फक्त आणि फक्त immobile ions consist करतो. In that region there are no charge carriers, either free electrons or holes are absent in the depletion region. Now depletion region has higher potential on N side. We know that positive charges ज्या ठिकाणी पॉझिटिव्ह पोटेन्शियल असतं त्याची लेवल हाय आणि निगेटिव्ह पोटेन्शियलची लेवल लो. दॅट्स वाय डिप्लेशन रिजन हॅज हायर पोटेन्शियल ऑन N साइड. ह्या डिप्लेशन लेयरला ज्या दोन साइड आहेत त्यातील N साइडला जे डिप्लेशन लेयर आहे किंवा रिजन आहे त्याचं पोटेन्शियल हायर आहे and lower potential on the P side of the junction. म्हणजे पीएन जंक्शनच्या अक्रॉस पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स डेव्हलप झालेला आहे. पीएन जंक्शनच्या N साइडला हायर पोटेन्शियल आणि P साइडला लोअर पोटेन्शियल म्हणजे पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स इज डेव्हलप्ड अक्रॉस पीएन जंक्शन डायोड which is called as a barrier potential and that barrier potential is preventing further diffusion, further transfer or further flow of majority charge carriers across the junction. So I hope you have cleared your concepts regarding formation of PN junction diode. And when PN junction diode is formed, there is formation of depletion region and formation of barrier potential across the PN junction. And finally, we learn features of that depletion region. So with this, we are ending this lecture.